Hello and welcome from the most easterly part of the Australian mainland, Byron Bay, where one of our head offices is located. My name is Martin Kratky. I'm one of the founders of Acterys, and I would like to initially thank all our customers, partners, and of course our team for a tremendous 2021. This week also marks the launch of our newest version 2021, the result of about 25 person years of development, our biggest ever version yet. The key improvements in 2021 are aligned with our three core objectives: speed to results, doing things in a smart way, and also finally doing things effectively, not reinventing the wheel, but using what's already there, what our customers already love to use, in particular Power BI, to add value. So from a speed perspective, version 21.2 adds now a completely automated reporting, analytics and planning environment for NetSuite, which is one of our new connectors, the 8th one now in our range. Some of the core improvements in 2021 are under the hood in the planning engine, where we added again enterprise-grade features to handle large concurrent usage, to set new standards for security and governance. One of the key new features in the engine is logic-driven models. So in addition to defining set model hierarchies, Acterys users can now define calculation rules and conditions to define hierarchies, where you can dynamically change your models based on rules in the engine. On the front-end side, we've made tremendous improvements on the 8 Power BI visuals, particularly in the key ones, Matrix and Table Edit. Matrix now offers a completely new user interface where users can now directly apply like options, they can lock values, and we've added additional new commenting features. On Table Edit, we've added a new grid mode which allows you to add very large tables very easily directly in Power BI, and also added new validation options where again you make the usage for the users even easier, where they can select from date pickers, checkboxes, connected lists, and also the awesome new icon set. You can see the waves here are really working. We're also launching a completely new solution in version 21.2, a completely new Excel add-in, which means you can use the unparalleled planning and analytics features in any version of Excel. Of course in the desktop, but equally in the web browser, so you only need a web browser, and also in Mac environments. Finally, we've also made significant improvements to our newest baby, Acterys Power BI Sync, which allows you to plan and enable any Power BI model and synchronize it with data warehouse environments. Power BI Sync supports now also, in addition to SQL Server and Synapse, Snowflake, and it features a fantastic new feature to distribute your Power BI reports and dashboards as PDF reports in the easiest and quickest way possible. So that's it. My team and I wish you all the best for the coming holidays, and enjoy the dive into Acterys 21.2.